tattoo effect in Blender. So you add image texture and plug it into the emission. Yes. So go to texture paint, create a new texture by cancelling this one, and you must save the texture. You save the texture. I'm saving that as emission. Bandica. Go to shading and open that texture. Emission. Yeah. So that's it. Change it to paint. Test it. Then that's it. So I'm rendering in Eevee, so I'm going to have to turn on bloom. So as for the tattoo to show that it's glowing. Yeah, it's look like face painted. I saved it. Go to the shading. Emission strength to see. You can tweak the settings more if you want to. You see? So that's all for my tutorial. This is my first tutorial, so I don't know how to act. I'm Dotune Brain. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and that's my name on all social media platforms. So in 2 minutes